Okay, so I am Arthur, and I'm going to show you how to make, well, it's called a twirly whirl airplane. It does a flip when you throw. Now, you ready to make it? Well, good choice. Okay, the first thing that you know is you're going to fold these corners down. You're going to fold these corners down. Well, down. So that looks like this. Just wait. So it looks like this. You got this? Well, the next thing that you know is you'll be putting that down. And so it looks like it's an envelope that actually opens and closes. Now, the next thing you know is you're folding these to the middle. Now, this part is pretty tricky, so I have to do it on ground. You try to do it by yourself, and you'll see if you do it right once I show you. Does it look like this? Two corners down like that? Well, if it does, great for you. If it doesn't, too bad. So we're moving on to the next step. Now, we're going to put this down like that. And this part up. Now this part is sort of hard, so I'm doing it on ground. As you can see, this part will go over these parts. The next thing that you know is you'll be turning it round. So that looks like just a blank paper. Cut. The next thing that you know is you're folding it in half. All pretty sensitive, right? Now, the thing is, you're going to put this part, one wing down, so it's touching the ground. Pretty sensitive. Now, the other wing, the other. Right? You probably say right. You probably don't know how to make this. So, it has two wings. Now, this may look like the airplane, but it's not quite the airplane. The next thing that you know is you're folding the wings even down. So that they're even farther down. Well, this part is pretty tricky. Well, not tricky for you. It's just having a bit of troubles. So I'm doing it a lot. So that it has a tiny part, big wing. You got it like this? Good. And we're moving on to the next step. The next step is to fold these corners. Well, these corners down so that part is up, and the other side too. Up. See how they're up? Well, if you do, good. You got it? Good. Because this is the end of the airplane. Try it out for yourself. See how it flies. Because I'm not going to show you. Because, I don't have very much more time. So that's all the time we've got for today. I'm Arthur, I'm 7, and I just showed you how to make a twirly whirl airplane. Test it out. Goodbye.